Hello traders, welcome once again. In this video, we are going to learn about how to deal with fear, the fear of losing money as traders. So if you're a beginner, if you're an intermediate trader, this video is the right video you need to master the fear and emotions of trading. I mastered this and it has helped me in so many ways. The reason why most traders are afraid of losing money, or most beginners, intermediate traders are afraid of losing money, is because of this particular one thing. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to this particular channel, subscribe to this particular channel. Feel free, have the patience, and watch this video to the end. And it's going to help you really a lot. As I said, if you want to join my mentorship program, I will leave the Telegram page at the description area. You can click on the link and join my Telegram page for free signals as well. So guys, this is the Bitcoin chart as you see on the screen. Now, one thing you're supposed to do as a trader, if you pull out any chart, always think about three things. Now, the first thing is that you must consider which market are you in right now, or which market is the price currently running in that particular moment. What you're going to do is to identify the current market, whether it's an uptrend, consolidation, or let's say a downtrend. So in this scenario over here, we could see that price has been in the bullish run for a couple of times in Bitcoin. So in this scenario, we can boldly say price is in uptrend. Now, the second thing that you're supposed to just think about it is anytime there is a serious uptrend or a serious downtrend, what you're supposed to look out for is a reversal. Before price reverses, what are the things that it always does, or the things that repeatedly it always creates? Always is going to create a change of character, and when there is a change of character in the order flow zone, it's going to create a fair value gap or an order block. So guys, in this 15 minutes time frame, let's look at this. As I told you in the previous video, you can just watch those previous videos and look out for how to just draw your market structure using this tool over here. Okay, so in this scenario, assuming we are having this, so to me we are in an uptrend. We have a higher low over here, sorry, higher low, higher high. We are having a higher low, we are having another higher high over here, we are having another higher low over here, you're having another one here, higher high, higher low. Market came to this zone, so higher high, and lastly we are having this higher low over here. Sorry, this a break of structure over here. So currently this has become, I told you in the previous video that always when you use this particular tool, what you're going to do is to just pull out this particular item over here, pull out this particular item over here. So guys, let me draw it. Well, I think it didn't come out, so let's start again. Okay, assuming we have a higher low over here, so let's traverse from this area, a higher low. Guys, wait, let me refresh. Okay, so now let's look at it once again. Okay, so what we are going to do is to just check this scenario. So over here, you're going to pull this path to, okay, assuming you have a higher low over here, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, another higher high. We had this higher low over here, we had this high, we had this low, we had this or equal high over here, we had the last higher low over here, this is the last higher high. Then price came down all this way to break the last higher low and came back to this zone again and came back in this scenario. So guys, let's pull this thing out. As I said in the previous video, always when you use the path to bring it out like this, and it can give you a better clue of how the market looks like. Looking at these shapes over here, these geometric shapes over here, or these lines over here, When you pull another line, you can boldly say there was a break of structure over here, so or a change of character over here. Sorry guys, a change of character. So now with this change of character, always there will be some other block zone over here and a fair value gap. Price will always come back to those zones and retest. So guys, the purpose of this video is to deal with fear. How do we deal with the fear of mixing out in case we see a good opportunity, in case everything is playing out well, there is a change of character, there is a break of structure? What are the things that we are supposed to look out for to help us be in a better psychological manner when we are before the chart, when we want to trade? As traders, emotions are part of the game, but as a good trader, or if you become a professional trader, one of the things you must master is emotions. You don't trade with emotions. You must always be in a better psychological manner before you take a trade. So guys, what is going to help you to build your confidence to take a particular trade or to take a good trade is looking out for candlesticks pattern. Okay, candlesticks pattern, it has really helped me a lot. Assuming knowing this market has break structure over here, has changed direction, this change of change of direction over here, knowing this, what I'm looking out for, always, price will just come back to that zone and just retest that zone. So from here, this is the whole scenario that we have over here. So as you can see, this is also an internal structure from the 5 minutes time frame. So the real change of character even happened somewhere around here in the 5 minutes time frame before even showing up in the 15 minutes time frame. So when you just look at this scenario over here, let me open up the candles. Let's open up the candles a little bit and you know what is going on over here. So the real change of character happened over here in the 5 minutes time frame. This is the real change of character. Let me hide this to over here. The real change of character happened over here. This is the last a higher low over here, the last support zone, higher low area before this higher high, and price came all this down to break this structure over here. So as you can see, this whole area, if you have watched my previous videos, I always make good use of other zones, other flow zones. So this whole area has become your other flow zone. So always price will always come back to the other flow zone. So this has become our order flow. What is order flow here? The last bullish run, or the last, this green candles, the last green candles before price coming down to break this support to change character over here. This whole zone has become our order flow zone. So knowing this, always when price breaks structure, what you're going to do is to wait patiently. You're going to wait patiently for price to come back to the order flow zone. You're going to draw your order flow zone. It could be the last support area that price broke out. So you're going to draw your order flow zone. Then in that scenario, you're going to wait for price. When price reacts into the order flow zone, assuming this is an uptrend scenario, so we'll be looking out for sales. So when price reacts inside the order flow zone, we are going to speculate, or we are going to just look out for sales. Okay, we're just going to look out for sales in this scenario. So here we are looking out for selling positions. Sorry guys, let me just put out this. You're going to look out for selling positions such as this one. So you're going to place your stop loss. You're going to place your stop loss to where price broke the structure to. Where the change of character ends, you're going to place your take profit level over there. Then your stop loss, you're going to just put it somewhere around here on top of this zone where we are having the last area. So you're going to target your take profit level. You're going to target this whole zone. Let me change the color so that you understand everything well. So yeah, so you're going to target where price broke the structure or change the direction to this last end over here. Then that will be your take profit level. So guys, before we take in this particular trade, or before you take such a trade, what are the things that you're supposed to look out for as traders? Now here comes the candlesticks pattern. Okay, now the candlesticks pattern that you're going to look out for is a bearish candlesticks, since we are speculating for sales, we are looking out for sales. Now over here guys, this is the zone, or what you are supposed to do in your entry zones, your point of interest, where you want to take the trade from. You're going to take your time and examine each one of the candles. This is the traversing. So we are going to analyze. When I say traversing, it literally means you're going to analyze. You're going to analyze the candles. So you're going to analyze the candles over here, or traverse. You can use another word, traverse. Let me do it once again. So traverse. So traverse, or you can just be traversing. You can also be traversing. So traversing means, literally means that you are examining the candles one after the other at the entry zone or your point of interest, to know the meaning. Every candle is having a meaning, a psychology behind it. So here we are having this last bullish candle over here, we are having this over here, we are having this over here, we are having this candle over here, this candle like a doji over here, we are having this bullish engulfing candle over here, another bullish candle, another hanging man over here, we are having this candle over here. So guys, before you take the trade, probably someone would like to just take the trade from this area. Actually, the person might be correct, since this is the order flow zone where price will be reacting and falling once again. So in this scenario, what you're going to do is always have the patience when price reacts into the order flow zone or your point of interest. Always have the patience and look at the candles. To me, the best candle that you're supposed to look out for is a bullish engulfing candle, a serious bullish engulfing candle. So my point of interest or my entry would have based upon this candle over here, this candle that I have over here. That will be my entry candle before shorting BTC or shorting this currency, sorry, this asset to the downside. So guys, traversing means yes, as I said, you must examine, you must look out for bearish. So anytime you have bearish engulfing, what is the meaning? Definitely you can look out for chart patterns. Okay, so when that comes, you can Google online, you can look out for some of the candlesticks pattern, bearish engulfing. What is the meaning? When you have the bearish engulfing, you relax. Definitely you must have the confidence that price will go in your favor. So guys, this is how to deal with fear. The only solution now, or the only thing that is going to help you build your confidence, deal with fear, is candlesticks pattern. Now how do I go about the candlesticks pattern formation? Always I take two candles. So you're going to compare two candles. So in this scenario, I will base on these two bearish candles over here as my candles, or my comparing candles. So when I see something like this, I'm going to wait for the second candle to close. Guys, always you must wait for the second candle to close before you take the entry. It is very important, candle closure. So guys, this is how to deal with fear, so that you relax, you have the confidence that no, this is what the knowledge or the psychology is telling. This is the message of the candle. So you relax and leave the rest to the market to play out in your favor. So guys, thank you for joining this particular video. Thank you for watching this particular video. Guys, if you have not subscribed yet, please kindly subscribe to this channel and let us know. This is DFA Community. See you in the next video.